Are you one of those who love nature and waterfalls? Then come to the city of Majestic Waterfalls, Iligan City, in northern Mindanao, Philippines. Hello once again mga madlang suki and welcome to our channel. That's Tax Official 0416. And today, I'll take you to Iligan City and experience the beauty of one of its waterfalls, the Tinago Falls. Tara, biyahe tayo! Aniya kita karon sa bukirang bahagi sa Iligan City ug ato yung sutaon kung unsa gyud kaanindot ang talan-awon diri sa ilang waterfall nga gitawag nga Tinago Falls. Well, Tinago Falls is a waterfall on the Agus River located in between the town of Linamon and Iligan City, Lanao del Norte, in the northern part of the Philippine island of Mindanao. It is one of the main tourist attractions of Iligan City, a city known as the City of Majestic Waterfalls. Tinago is a Filipino term meaning hidden, the falls being hidden in a deep ravine. Trekking to the falls requires approximately 500 descending steps down the winding man-made staircase. The 240 feet high waterfall is a good spot for swimming and cliff diving. For a complete waterfall experience, bamboo rafts are made available for rent. If you choose to rent one, a local guide will bring you near the foot of the falls, so you can feel the water falling on you or take a dip in the cool waters. There is a small cave at the side of the falls, which may only be accessed through swimming. It is just a plain rock cave that serves as a resting point for swimmers and offers a different view of the surroundings of Tinago Falls. There is no doubt that Tinago Falls contributes well to the tourism of Iligan City, but this breathtaking body of water also serves as a water source for locals near the area. With this, the residents and the local government are doing their best to protect and preserve it. Agroforestry projects have been implemented to help maintain the cleanliness of the water of Tinago Falls. New planting techniques are used to put up more trees to help stabilize the whole river. And fertilizers are placed every so often to maintain these trees. There's also a legend behind the splendid beauty of Tinago Falls. Folkways has it that there once lived an influential and powerful Sultan Agok and his wife. They were appointed by their people as their king and queen. But they became too proud of themselves and became selfish rulers of their kingdom. When the Sultan's wife was pregnant, an enchantress, disguised as a beggar, begged for their help, but instead, they exiled and rejected her. Because of this, the enchantress cursed the couple that the child will become ugly, but they did not take it seriously and permanently banished the witch. When the baby was born, she was so ugly. The couple was sad and disappointed, expecting the baby to be as lovely as her mother. They hid the child in a cave to avoid embarrassment and named the baby Tinago, which means hidden face. They visited and took care of the baby in the cave. When the child grew up, she came out of the cave and became amazed at what she saw. The enchantress, who cursed her parents, saw her and made an offer to transform her into something of great beauty and splendor. She accepted the offer and became the Tinago Falls. And that is the story behind the beauty and splendor of Tinago Falls. We had a wonderful time experiencing the magnificent beauty of Tinago Falls. Well, you might think that going down and back up through 500 and more steps is that easy. Well, take it from my first-hand experience. Going back up is so hard, but it is really worth it. Nature is indeed a blessing and needs to be preserved and protected. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and now we're going back to Iligan City and to Lagundingan Airport. Have a good time, everyone, and see you in my next videos. Stay safe!